Welcome to Ask an Expert. Hi, this is John Appleson, Marketing Manager with Pepperl+Fuchs. Today I'm joined by Zach Steck. Zach works as an application engineer here at Pepperl+Fuchs. So welcome, Zach, and thanks for being here.
Hi, John. Thanks for asking me.
The first question asked about an ultrasonic sensor that will transmit a sound wave to the top of a heavy steel column on an elevator. The customer states that there may be some slack jerk when the elevator starts and stops, but less slack during travel. The slack might also cause the sensor to tilt to a small degree. The sensor is going to be used in a Class 1 Division 2 environment. Zach, what are your thoughts on this, and what environmental impact do fog, gas vapor, or a heavy metal clanking sound have in an ultrasonic sensor?
Since this is being installed in a Class 1 Division 2 area, I would recommend a hazardous location ultrasonic sensor such as model UC4000-30GM-IU-V1-HA. This sensor is UL and CSA approved for Class 1 Division 2 environments. The wide sensing field of an ultrasonic sensor would accommodate the slight variations in the mounting angle caused by the slack. This sensor has a specified range of only 4 meters, but depending on the target, it can detect further. You can see this represented on the characteristic response curve provided on the datasheet. 4 meters is, however, the longest range option that we offer for ultrasonic sensors in hazardous locations. As for the other environmental conditions, fog, vapors, and loud acoustic noises will not affect the output of an ultrasonic sensor.
Here's a question where the customer needs to update the software to program their UC3000 series, and they want to know if there's a new program that will allow them to set up these sensors in the Windows 7 program. Zach, do we have this available?
The UC3000 ultrasonic sensors are programmed using the Ultra 3000 software. Ultra 3000 would be compatible with Windows 7, and the latest version is available for download cost-free from our website.
Well, sticking with the ultrasonic sensors, this customer wants to set off an alarm in a mining application, which is a harsh environment, when rocks are falling. Zach, what can you suggest here?
Ultrasonic sensors are a common choice for harsh environments found in mining applications. Dirt or dust particles in the air would have no effect on the sensor output. Since ultrasonic sensors create a wide sensing field, it allows a single sensor to cover a decent sized area. This area can be even larger using multiple ultrasonic sensors tied together by a synchronization input. So based on the environment and application description, I would recommend an ultrasonic solution.
Okay, moving right along, this customer has an RFID controller with 4 read heads coming off of each port, and they're hooking the controllers up to a 24-volt DC power supply and need to know what size and type of fuse they have on the incoming side. Zach, can you share your thoughts on this?
The suggested fuse size would be double the total current consumption of the controller and read heads together. In this case, the controller and 4 read heads consume about 8 amps, so they would want a fuse that is at least 16 amps.
Well, that concludes this segment of Ask an Expert. I'd like to thank Zach for joining me today and thank our audience as well. For additional information, here are 5 easy ways to connect with us.